Okay, so here you can enable the telnet command in the Windows server. Click on next.
Okay.
Roles and yes. No, server selection is telnet. Here would be telnet.
Maybe in features.
Maybe in features. Maybe. Yes, telnet client. Here is a telnet. No, yes. That one. Click on next.
And shall I click this one?
No, if you clicked on this one, then its server will be restart automatically after the internet installation. I'm not sure it will be, you can restart it or not.
They said that we can restart at any time.
Okay, then fine.
Arvind, how do we check the SQL edition uh, for this secondary site?
SQL edition, while you will add the secondary side, SQL will install automatically with the help of SCCM configuration. You have no need to install it manually or so.
Can we check in any other secondary site what edition is being used? Will
Mm,
that be verified?
for the secondary side, SQL will be installing automatically. Not
Okay.
it is not required manually. Installation succeeded. Close this. Okay. Now then try to run the telnet command. First clear the screen. Okay, so port 80 is open. If blank screen is coming, then port 80 is coming. If you are getting any error to check the port is open or not on this server, then you will get the
Mm-hmm.
error. Okay, so port 80
Okay.
is open and check another port. Okay, what you want to check on it is open on or not on this server.
Okay.
Close this
Can I
dialog
close
box.
this?
Yes, close this dialog box and open it again. Command prompt and check another port for this server.
Okay.
That is our primary SCCM server.
Yeah.
Okay.
Correct.
Or no. Mention FQDN, fully qualified domain name here. Don't put the only server name here. No. So if you are getting this error to for this port, then that means you have to open this port in the firewall setting. Okay. And you can also ask with the Wintel team to open this port on this
Okay.
server. Okay.
Okay, I will check
And
the
only two ports
uh,
you need to require on this server. Check another
no, no,
other ports as well.
another. Yeah, yeah.
This port is also not open. 1
Okay, 135 is open.
135 is open.
Yeah,
Okay.
SQL ports are not open, I guess.
Only SQLs. And any other ports apart from that?
One more port,
Okay.
455.
Okay. Check. That
Okay,
means
only
this
one
port
port.
is that port is also not open. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. I will take the screenshot and send it to Wintel team.
Okay. If they are saying anything else, then you I will try to open this port ourselves. Okay, with the in the firewall setting. First check with Wintel
Okay,
team. Don't do it with your own ID. Okay.
fine, fine. I will drop email to them now.
Sure. Sure. Thank you.